Hey students, I just wanted to show you how to find a picture of your bird. So if you click on the What Makes the Bird So Colorful, that's going to take you over to the Audubon site. Then you can go to birds and it opens up. So here is a purple sandpiper, the real bird, and there's the illustration that James Audubon did. And if you scroll down, it has some of our favorite birds. And I scrolled down and picked one that flew through Utah. Black-chinned hummingbird. I really like drawing hummingbirds. So if you click on the sound, it'll show you what it sounds like. And then if you click on the bird, it'll bring you up to a picture. This is the one that I'm going to do. I like that it's got the colorful feathers, and I like the angle of the wings in this picture. If you scroll down, it tells you about the bird, and then it has a photo gallery that you can click on and go through. And over here, it shows that it does have a migration pattern that goes through Utah. It also shows that it has breeding in Utah as well. So this is what I'm going to be doing my direct drawing on next time, and we'll break it down by shapes. Why don't you guys go ahead and play around on this website and see if you can find a bird that you would like to be drawing.